here it is. Isn't this pretty? Oh, they look so cute together. But this one unfortunately has to go. But I think my friend will like it as well and will have it on her balcony. Oh, hey! It's my friend's 32nd birthday tomorrow, and I decided to make her something myself this time around. Not buy anything. Oh, well, I had to buy a few things, but I also wanted to be a little bit more creative, a little bit more than usual at least. And she visited me the other day, and she saw my Sempervivum bowl that I made a couple of months ago, and she really liked it. And yeah, so I think it's quite an easy succulent to take care of, Sempervivums in general. So I thought maybe I will make something similar for her as well. I didn't find a bowl like this, unfortunately, but I went to my garden center and I found this cool, I think it's a tea light holder essentially, but I thought you can use it as a pot. So I can see it now. It's like quite a nice texture, great color. Yeah, and that's where you usually place your tea light holder. But I thought, maybe this actually goes well with Sempervivums as well. So then I found these cute Sempervivums. I love this green and the red, and I think it goes quite well together with this like copper silverish color of the pot. And yeah, so I think it's very simple. So I will fill this pot with soil. I will make sure to have a small mound to really get some movement in the arrangement. And then I will place these Sempervivums. Let's see how it goes. So first of all, I have to remove the soil from the Sempervivums. Ooh, yes. Essentially, I can reuse all the soil for the arrangement. Sempervivums really don't need a lot of soil, so it's quite easy to work with them, and you can remove quite a bit of the soil. And I mean, in Europe, depending on where you are, usually you can't have succulents outside, but Sempervivums are some of them that can withstand more moisture, so much easier to work with them, and you don't have to keep them inside. Oops. So I hope you can see it. There is a small mound in the center. So this means that it's not a flat surface ideally, but it will have some movement in the arrangement. And now I will just take these small pieces of Sempervivums and place them in the pot. And sometimes, yeah, like I have this big piece, but I will I will remove the individual babies and place them as individual cuttings, so to say. And they're big enough to be viable on their own. Yeah, I think that's probably the mother plant, that's the biggest one. It is a little bit, I think, too big because it will essentially take up all the space. So I will focus on the smaller ones for now. Okay, so I'm done with the first step. Can you see how I placed the Sempervivums? I wanted them to spill a little bit over the rim, but then I still have a little bit of height, so it's not flat again. So this is the first step, but when you look a little bit closely, you can still see a little bit of dirt showing. So I will place some top dressing in the cricks and cracks. I have this top dressing, which is essentially just small aquarium stones, and I will put them into the arrangement. Okay, I think I'm done. So this is the final result. So it has some height, it spills a little bit over, but not too much. And in the cracks there's some small pebbles, some small stones, so you don't see the dirt, so that's quite nice. Yeah, I hope my friend is gonna like it. I really enjoyed doing it, and they're so low maintenance. You don't have to water them very often, maybe once every 2 weeks when it's a little bit warmer. So if you want to, you can also drill a drainage hole just to be on the safe side, because this is a pot that is not really meant for plants, but I like the way it looked, and yeah, I think you have to make sure that there isn't really rainwater coming onto the arrangement, because then there is the likelihood that that the roots might rot if there's too much water. But I think, yeah, if you water it once every 2 weeks, you should be on the safe side. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you soon. Bye bye.